Ever watched the stock market numbers dance and thought, could I dance along? The thrill of the stock market, where fortunes are made and dreams realized. Let's embark on a journey into the world of stocks, unraveling its mysteries for those ready to dip their toes in these enticing waters. Ready to unlock the vault of stock market secrets? 1. Understanding what stocks are. So, you think stocks are just numbers? Dive deeper. At its most fundamental level, stocks represent ownership in a company, turning you from a mere observer to a stakeholder. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a slice of the company's assets and its potential future. Beyond the ticker symbols and fluctuating charts lies a real business with goals, challenges, and aspirations. It could be a tech giant innovating in a Silicon Valley garage or a retail behemoth with thousands of stores worldwide. This stake entitles you to a part of the company's successes. And yes, its setbacks too. The stock market isn't just a digital casino of buy low, sell high. It's a dynamic space where businesses evolve and futures are built. Thus, when you invest in stocks, you're not merely hoping for numbers to go up. You're placing your trust in a company's narrative, leadership, and vision. But how do you know which company to trust? 2. Research is key. Knowledge is your compass in the vast stock market ocean. Embarking on your stock market journey without proper research is like sailing without a map. It's imperative to understand the company you're considering, its financial health, growth potential, competitive landscape, and the sector in which it operates. Annual reports, earnings calls, and expert analyses are treasure troves of insights. Beyond just the numbers, get a feel for the company's leadership. What's their vision? Have they delivered on past promises? Additionally, be vigilant about broader market trends and global events, as these can greatly impact stock prices. Investing is as much about foresight as it is about funds. Remember, in the world of stocks, information isn't just power, it's profit. But isn't there a roadmap to navigate this? 3. Diversify your portfolio. Ever heard, don't put all your eggs in one basket? This age-old adage rings especially true in the world of stock investing. Consider your portfolio as a symphony orchestra. Each instrument plays its role to create a harmonious outcome. Similarly, by investing in different sectors and industries, from tech to healthcare, energy to consumer goods, you're setting up a symphonic balance. If one sector faces a downturn, another might be on an upswing, balancing your losses. This strategy isn't just about risk management, it's about tapping into the growth potential across industries. As markets evolve, global events shift, and industries transform, a diverse portfolio is your best bet to sail smoothly through financial storms. Remember, diversification is not about having many stocks, it's about having the right mix of stocks. Yet, with multiple stocks, how do you keep track? 4. Embrace technology. Let the digital age be your guiding star. In today's interconnected world, staying ahead in the stock market is intrinsically linked with embracing technology. Beyond just tracking stock prices, modern tools provide a holistic view of your investments, offer real-time analytics, and even predict market trends using AI. Investment platforms come equipped with intuitive dashboards, making it easier for beginners to visualize their portfolio's performance and make informed decisions. Online forums, webinars, and courses have democratized information, ensuring that every budding investor has access to expert insights. Moreover, with robo-advisors and algorithm-driven trading strategies, even those new to the market can invest with a confidence that was previously reserved for seasoned traders. Harnessing technology not only empowers your decision-making, but also equips you with the tools to navigate the complexities of the stock universe. But isn't the stock market full of risks? 5. Understand, accept the risks. The thrill of highs and the lessons in lows. Embarking on the stock market journey is akin to sailing on a vast ocean. Calm days can be followed by unexpected storms. It's essential to understand that market volatility is a natural part of the investment process. No stock is immune from market fluctuations, be it due to global events, company performance, or economic indicators. As beginners, cultivating patience and a long-term vision can be your armor against hasty decisions during turbulent times. It's also wise to invest only what you're prepared to lose. This not only cushions financial setbacks, but also fosters a balanced emotional relationship with your investments. Ultimately, the stock market isn't about quick wins. It's a marathon where strategy, patience, and acceptance of risks determine the victors. Speaking of resilience, what about those tales of overnight riches? 6. Patience is your ally. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are stock market fortunes. The allure of instant riches often dazzles many entering the stock market, but the seasoned investor knows that the true magic lies in the compounding effect, where patience is the ultimate ally. Think of your investments like a fine wine, getting better with age. Hasty decisions can disrupt the growth trajectory, causing potential losses or missed opportunities. Historical data consistently showcases that the stock market has an upward trend over extended periods, even if there are short-term downturns. Holding on to investments, especially during volatile times, requires not just financial acumen, but emotional strength. By maintaining a long-term vision and resisting the urge to react to every market fluctuation. But during this wait, how do emotions play out? 7. Keep emotions in check. The heart races, but the mind must remain calm. Every beep of the stock ticker, every market news headline can set off a storm of emotions. A sudden spike might usher in exhilaration, while a dip can be a sinkhole of anxiety. However, the most successful investors distinguish themselves by mastering their emotions. It's essential to remember that the stock market is inherently volatile, with numerous factors influencing its movements. Instead of being swayed by the emotions of the crowd, adopt a rational approach. Analyze the reasons behind market shifts, reflect on your long-term goals, and base your decisions on research rather than fear or greed. Emotional intelligence in the world of stocks is just as valuable as financial acumen. By ensuring your decisions are data-driven and not emotion-led, you safeguard your investments from impulsive actions. With emotions at bay, how do you strategize for the future? 8. Plan your exit strategy. It's not just about entering the dance, but knowing when to bow out. Every strategic game, be it chess or the stock market, requires foresight, and the ability to foresee isn't just about gaining, but also about retreating at the right time. It's a common belief that the stock market is solely about buying at the right time. However, what separates the novices from the maestros is not just entering the market, but having a clearly defined exit strategy. Setting predetermined profit and loss thresholds can act as your safety net, safeguarding you from catastrophic losses and also ensuring you don't get greedy, missing out on decent gains. Remember, in the vast theater of stocks, it's essential to have your curtain call planned. This strategy protects not just your financial health, but your emotional well-being, providing clarity in an otherwise unpredictable market landscape. Now, with all these insights, how do you kickstart this journey? 9. Seek professional guidance. Why tread alone when experienced hands can guide? Venturing into the stock market might feel like stepping into an overwhelming maze. While courage and determination are vital, there's another ingredient to success: guidance. In a realm rife with nuances, having seasoned professionals by your side can make a world of difference. Financial advisors or brokers bring to the table years of experience, deep market understanding, and analytical tools that can aid in making informed decisions. These experts not only help in demystifying complex market jargons, but also provide tailored strategies aligned with your financial goals and risk appetite. Their mentorship ensures that you're not just reacting to the market, but proactively navigating, making strategic moves based on informed predictions and insights. Remember, every champion was once a contender that refused to walk alone. With their guidance and your newfound knowledge, what's the final step? 10. Start small and learn continuously. Every giant oak starts as a tiny acorn. Embarking on your stock market journey might seem daunting. With numerous stocks to choose from and endless data to analyze, where does one begin? The answer is simple: start small. By commencing with modest investments, you can test the waters, understand market nuances, and learn with minimal risks. It's essential to remember that in the stock market, every loss carries a lesson and every win a story. As you tread this path, treat each experience as a learning opportunity opportunity. Attend seminars, read up on market trends, join investment forums, and engage in discussions. As the market landscape shifts, so should your knowledge and tactics. Continuous learning ensures that you're not just adapting to the market, but thriving within it, turning challenges into opportunities. So, are you ready to embark on this exhilarating adventure? The dance of digits, the rhythm of risks, and the song of successes. The stock market isn't just an investment platform. It's a journey, an education, a challenge. With each trade, you don't just gain financial returns, but invaluable experiences. As you step into this world, let every high empower you and every low enlighten you. The arena is set, the stocks are waiting, and now it's your move. Dive deeper into the world of investments with us. Hit subscribe and join us on this thrilling voyage of stocks and strategies.